Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to update the table in MySQL. Okay, so let's get started. So we have already entered into the MySQL workbench. Okay, and here you can see one of the table with the student name and the roll number. Okay, so now suppose if I want to update the table and suppose like for example, I want to make some changes to this particular table. Okay, so I want to make some changes with respect to the row and column. Okay, so here you can see two different columns like roll number and the student name. Okay, and these are all the roll numbers and these are all the student names. Okay, and suppose if I want to change the name with respect to the roll number means like for that what we can do is like I will just tell you the some simple query so that with that query we can update the table. Okay, so now let's try to update the table. Update student update. So we are updating from the this particular table student details. Okay, update student details. Update student details set student underscore name. So here you can see the column student name. Set student name is equal to some, we'll give some different name. So here you can see the three different students, Pawan, John, Kevin. Okay, so now I will change the student name with respect to the Pawan. Set student name, I will give some other name. I will just try to give it as Ravi. Okay, Ravi, and where student underscore roll number is equal to. So here the student roll number, the roll number of Pawan is 1, and now I want to change the student name from Pawan to Ravi. Okay, so now I want to change this particular name Pawan with respect to the roll number, that is 1. Okay, and here the roll number I will mention it as 1. Okay, so now I will end this particular query with a semicolon. So now let's try to run this particular code. So here you can see update student details, set student name Ravi, where student roll number is 1. Okay, so now let's try to check the table again. Select star from student underscore details. Okay, so before the roll number, student roll number for 1 it was Pawan. So now let's see like what is the result. So now here you can see before it was Pawan and now it's changed to Ravi. Okay, so this is how you can update the table in MySQL. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.